Welcome to the channel where we bring you the best tips and insights to help you achieve success in your personal and professional life. In this video, we'll discuss the mindset of successful entrepreneurs and how they think differently from the average person. Specifically, we'll delve into the topic of how rich people think and what sets them apart from the rest of us. To begin, it's important to understand that wealthy people have a different attitude towards money. Rather than viewing money as something to be spent, they see it as a tool to build wealth and create opportunities. They invest their money wisely, taking calculated risks and seeking out profitable ventures. Another key aspect of how rich people think is their focus on long-term goals. While most people are content to live in the moment, successful entrepreneurs are always thinking ahead. They have a clear vision of where they want to be in 5, 10, or even 20 years, and they work tirelessly to make that vision a reality. In addition, wealthy people are not afraid to fail. They understand that failure is an inevitable part of the path to success and they embrace it as a learning opportunity. Rather than being discouraged by setbacks, they use them as motivation to work harder and smarter. Successful entrepreneurs are also highly disciplined. They know that success requires hard work and dedication, and they are willing to put in the effort to achieve their goals. They have a strong work ethic and are committed to constant self-improvement. Another characteristic of how rich people think is their ability to see opportunities where others see obstacles. They are constantly on the lookout for new business ventures and are not afraid to take risks. They are innovative and creative, always thinking outside the box to find new solutions to problems. Wealthy people also have a different mindset when it comes to time management. They understand that time is their most valuable asset, and they are always looking for ways to use it more efficiently. They prioritize their tasks and focus on what's important, rather than getting bogged down in minor details. Another important aspect of how rich people think is their willingness to seek out help and advice from others. They know that they don't have all the answers and are not afraid to ask for assistance when they need it. They surround themselves with people who are smarter and more experienced than they are, and they listen to their insights and advice. Successful entrepreneurs also have a strong sense of self-belief. They know that they are capable of achieving their goals, and they are not afraid to take on big challenges. They have a positive attitude towards life and are confident in their abilities to overcome obstacles and achieve success. Another key characteristic of how rich people think is their ability to adapt to change. They understand that the world is constantly evolving, and they are not afraid to adjust their strategies and approaches accordingly. They embrace new technologies and are always looking for ways to stay ahead of the curve. In addition, wealthy people have a different mindset when it comes to work-life balance. They understand that success requires hard work, but they also recognize the importance of taking time for themselves and their families. They prioritize their personal life and make sure that they are living a fulfilling and happy life outside of work. Overall, the mindset of successful entrepreneurs is very different from the average person. They have a unique set of beliefs and attitudes that allow them to achieve great success in their personal and professional lives. By adopting some of these key characteristics and traits, we too can unlock our full potential and achieve success in our own lives. In conclusion, the way rich people think can teach us valuable lessons about success, wealth creation, and living a fulfilling life. By adopting some of the habits and mindsets of successful entrepreneurs, we can improve our own lives and achieve our goals. Remember that success is not just about having money, but also about living a life of purpose and fulfillment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal development, wealth creation, and success mindset. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.